Hello everyone, I'm Mark Oakman of digital marketing agency Web Adept, and here are my 5 top tips for the food and drink industry to help you keep productive with your online marketing right now. Number 1 is to let people know that you're still open for business if, like many others, you've diversified your offering to offer a takeaway solution. Here's an example from the King's Arms in Pentyrch, who have taken to Facebook and Twitter to promote their takeaway offering and also to thank their customers for their continued support. Don't forget to take advantage of other platforms such as Instagram and LinkedIn, as they're all free to publish on and cost you nothing but your time. Alternatively, if you are lucky enough to have a bit of budget to spend right now, then Facebook advertising is a really good option. Here's an example from the North Oxfordshire Wine Company, who have taken to Facebook ads to promote their coronavirus survival box offering. It's pretty cost effective and can cost you as little as £5 a day. And the fact that usage is up right now on social media platforms, as a lot of people are working from home or have even been furloughed altogether, means that it's a really good opportunity to reach a new audience. Number 2 is to start a newsletter if you haven't done so already. Newsletters are a great way of encouraging repeat customers and also to keep your audience informed of what's going on. Here's an example from Acapella Studios, who have used their newsletter to promote their pizza takeaway offering and also to communicate events that have had to be rescheduled due to the pandemic. This has helped them to increase sales and save them on time through reaching an engaged audience and informing them of the date changes. Our suggested newsletter software is MailChimp, which is free to access. And after you've signed up for an account, you can even add the subscription button to your website to encourage people to begin following you. Number 3 is to plan your content strategy for the rest of the year. Search engines such as Google love content, so if you're able to publish 1 post a week, that's an extra 52 pages a year to be indexed by Google. It also helps to personalize your website, as per this Barty Rum example, who have taken to their blog to publish these 3 articles in the last couple of weeks. Here's some examples of some content that you might want to plan for later on in the year. Think of local food and drink events that might be happening, birthdays of people that work for you or notable people within your industry, any awards that you might have been shortlisted for, any testimonials that customers have left you recently, stories about the business or videos that you might have taken past or present. And if all else fails, we could also talk about the weather. Number 4 is to stay active on Instagram. You can use the platform to publish nostalgic photos on your platform, get your highlights in order, or even take to Instagram stories to upload daily content, potentially on recipes that you might be making up at the moment, to help keep your audience engaged. This will help to keep your business front of mind for when things go back to normal. As I mentioned earlier, social media consumption is really high right now, so it's a really good opportunity for you to take to Instagram to potentially grow your following and reach more people for the future. Number 5 is to look back through some of your reviews and be self-critical of your business. Have a look back through some of the reviews that people might have written about you on TripAdvisor, Facebook, and Google My Business, and see if there's a common theme between what people are saying, and think about how you can maybe improve your product and service for when your business relaunches. Also, if you're not doing so already, make sure you're asking people to actually review you and be proactive about trying to get reviews. There's these logos available that you can have printed out on your menus, your specials board, or even attach them to your bills to get people to go on their mobile phone devices to review you there and then whilst you've got them in the store. Thanks for listening, everyone. I hope you found that useful, and above all else, stay safe.